Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying your iPhone supports eSIM and that iOS is up to date. This prevents hiccups. Open Settings, tap Cellular, then add Cellular Plan. Scan the carrier QR code or enter the activation code. Once done, name each line so you can tell them apart later, for example, personal and work. Make sure Wi-Fi is on during activation, because carriers often require a data connection to finish provisioning. Now you configure how the two lines work together. Go to Settings, right arrow Cellular, and select Cellular Plans to pick defaults. Choose which line handles voice and SMS, and separately pick your default for cellular data. This matters for billing and speeds. If you want automatic switching for calls when one line has no service, enable cellular data switching. Finally, set iMessage and FaceTime to the preferred line, and place a test call and message. Finish by swapping or removing the physical SIM if you're replacing it with an eSIM. Use the SIM tool and be gentle. Restart the iPhone to finalize activation, then check both signal bars and carrier labels to confirm connectivity. If something goes wrong, first toggle airplane mode and retry the QR scan or re-enter the activation code. If that fails, contact your carrier with the IMEI and eSIM details. One key troubleshooting tip: restarting and rescanning fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.